Welcome to Agricultural Development Trust, Sharda Bai Pawar, Mahila Arts Commerce, Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, in which we are learning Depreciation chapter number 7. So students, under Depreciation chapter on page number 226, illustration number 4 is given with solution. However, some student was confused with the solution and it is little complicated given in the textbook. So for your knowledge purpose, I have tried this problem to solve by the easiest way as we follow the rule and steps while solving the depreciation problem. So students, you know already I have told you to that before moving further for the solution, we should read the question carefully and we should shorten the question. So by reading the question, I am shortening the whole question. Now you can listen it carefully. On 1st Jan 2015, Scon Transport Pune purchased 4 trucks for ₹25 each. Means 4 truck is being purchased on 1st Jan 2015. 25,000 is the price of each, means per truck. So if the 4 truck is there, the total amount will be 1 lakh. And again the information is given, depreciation has to be provided 10% under the straight line method, means the first method, straight line method, 10% depreciation. Further information is given, on 1st January 2016, 1 truck, means we can say the 1 truck was sold for ₹20,000. On 1st July 2016, another truck, means we can say the second truck was sold for ₹22,000. The truck which was purchased on the 1st Jan 2015, means all 4 truck together was purchased on this date. Out of these 4 truck, 2 trucks are being sold. One is on the 1st Jan 2016, another is on the 1st July 2016, and the selling price is different. Further information says a new truck, we can say the 5th truck. Initially 4 truck was purchased. Now the new truck, means the 5th truck of the business, is purchased on 1st Jan 2017 and their original cost is 40,000 rupees. They have asked you to prepare the truck account and depreciation account for 3 years. They have not given that particular which year you should prepare. They have told you that you have to prepare the 3 years. First 3 years truck account and depreciation account. So by the first purchase date, we can decide that this purchase date is coming under the financial year 2014 and 15. So our first year will be 2014-15, second year 15-16, and third year 16-17. So student, let's move further. That's, you can see the third truck depreciation in the third year is 2,500, fourth truck's depreciation is 2,500, and the new truck's depreciation is 1,000. So total is 6,000, which is written in the third year. You can see the 6,000, students. So now again we will close the truck account. Debit side is higher, it will be written on the both side. This total will be reduced from the 1,06,375. You will get your closing balance 77,750, 77,750. Now student, I have let me tell you that 3 months depreciation formula is 25,000 into 10 upon 100. The rate is same for all, but you have to just change the month. So for 3 months depreciation is 3 by 12, 9 months depreciation will be 9 by 12, 12 months depreciation will be 12 by 12. So when 12 by 12 is there, you need not write. You just have to write the difference month. So you can see the 3 months depreciation I have calculated by using this formula 625, 9 months depreciation 1875, and the 12 months depreciation is directly 2500. Okay, now we will see the depreciation account, students. In the depreciation account you can see the first year is being closed on 31st March 2015, and all the depreciation is totaled over here to truck account by P&L. Again in the next year, selling truck amount is 1875, and the unsold truck 7500. Date is different, so that here the date will be the different, but the transfer date will be the same, 9375, and the total will be the same. In the third year, one truck is sold on July, so the depreciation will be depreciation account debit to truck, so to truck account 625, and rest depreciation amount is 6000, which is on March 31st 2017, and this is total over here, and it is transferred on March 31st to P&L, that is by P&L account 6625. So here in this way I have tried to make it easier for you, student. Hope you understood it very well, and don't copy the solution of the account. Please do it by your own only. Any difficulty, any query, you can ask me anytime or in the doubt session as well. Okay, you will never know unless you try. So first you try, then you will know how it is done. Thank you. Meet you in the next doubtful video which of bookkeeping and accountancy. Bye.